Hello H5 friends, it's a wonderful day for some random and mixed loot time. We have so many great loots here, some new and more newer ones. Awesome, like the Cuphead buildable figures. Wow! Tokidoki Unicornos figures. We also got some Squishmallows from Justice. Must collect all of them. And of course, Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pets. Rub, rub, rub. I wish I had more loots. Okay, so let's just dive right in and get to it. What do you guys want to start off with? Let's go for some Shopkins Happy Places. Oh, look what we have here. We got some meow meows here from the Cozy Kitty School Camp collection. We got a really cool pink canteen with a cute little meow meow face on it. A little kitty cup with also a really cute meow meow face on it. And a meow meow bag to hold my canteen. So when we go camping, I got a bag to hold it. And then when you get thirsty, I take my canteen out and I uncap and I unplug it and I use a drink. A cup of kitty milk. Meow. Super awesome, little Shopkins. They think of everything. Okay, what should we open up next? Raccoons, the eccentric family. Awesome.
Is it daytime already?
We got a sleepwalking raccoon here, or it kind of looks like it's sleepwalking because the eyes are kind of drowsy and it's like, oh, raccoon butt. That's so cute. It's supposed to hang off your cup, like when we did the Pisuke and Usagi friends one, the one that hangs off your cup so you know which cup is yours. But this one, if you just stand it up, it just looks like it's doing the zombie walk or sleepwalking. It's a sleepy raccoon with a maple leafy face. What's up next? Let's get crackin' with hatchimals. Ooh, this one's the Hatch Bright one. Pop, pop. Ooh, these hatchimal eggs look really comforting to look at. They're warm. They remind me of summer colors. This one's got white or yellowish pale yellow speckles all over it. Ooh, and there's even a star right in the middle of the heart. And this one has really, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's got really light purple speckles on it. Oh, I'm excited. Let's do a double rub and a double crack. Rub, 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 and crack. Oh, it's our green snail tail here. Our adorable hatchimal. Looks really cool, like it'll glow in the dark. Very nice. And you stick a light in here and then the heart shines bright for you. Is it sticking its tongue out? Oh, it is sticking its tongue out. It's like, come have a snaily taily race with me. I'm winning! Woohoo! See ya! And we got a really rare, a Starlight Platy Piper here. Oh, it's so cute, holding a bunch of stars, but it doesn't really look like stars, just a bunch of, looks more like it's holding some mud on it. What a really cute little platypussy tail, and it's purple sparkly wings. Awesome. Oh, I love this one. I love how they're all like transparent and you can shine a light through it so it shines for you like, wee. Can you see me in the dark? So awesome. And it comes with a nest. So I'm gonna put my snail tail here and I'm gonna put my platy piper on this one. They look amazing. Oh, love hatchimals, love cracking them. All right, let's move on to some Digimon adventure figures. Who's our Digimon today? It's Chicomon and Chibimon. Okay, which one's which? I don't remember. I'm gonna say this one's Chicomon and this one might be Chibimon. And it's the really cute pre-evolutions of Vmon. So awesome. I guess this one comes first. It's like boink, 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 boink. This reminds me of a blue tadpole because it's got the little squiggly tail, but it's on its head and its little cute little body like, hi, I'm born. Look at me. I have a squiggly tail on my head. And Vmon's so cute. It reminds me of a bunny because it's got like two little squiggly ears and a really, really adorable face. that looks like it's hopping. Ooh, it even has a squiggly tail. Boing, 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 boing. Help me Digivolve, please. Which one? They're all so good, I can't choose. Mini brands. Oh yeah, I couldn't resist. Oh yes, Rippy Strip. Ooh. And voila. Oh my goodness. I'm missing a piece. Anxiety. I've had to create a mini shelf because one shelf was missing. Boo you, Zero, boo you. How dare you put a defect into my mini brands. I still love the mini brands though, but I guess I can work with a mini shelf. It looks so stunted. Sad shelf. But I guess I gotta put my moon pie, banana flavor moon pie in there. Delicious. The taste that never gets old. Hormel real crumbled bacon. Whoa, 40% less fat. Who doesn't want fat in their bacon? Shake it up. Ooh, it's so squishy. Pond's Rejuvenous Anti-Wrinkle Cream for your wrinkles. Don't worry, you guys won't have to worry about that for a long time. And Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash, lavender scented. Awesome, awesome. Love the colors, love this brand, love the body wash. I need my other shelf. I'm so sad. Okay, all right. Let's go for Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pets. Oh, give me something good. I need some good luck right now. It's our tweet of a friend here. It's Zizzle, our little blue birdie, lucky pet birdie with a green beak. Squawk! It's not a parrot, it's just a birdie, and it's got a lucky charm with it. The bow means adventurous, and the bow means friendship. It's a friendship-giving, adventurous birdie here. I thought I saw the pooty cat. It's time for another loot. Which loot? Let's go for, ooh, My Little Pony figures. Oh, Green Jewel, My Little Pony. Makes every pony smile when she smiles. She must have a very infectious smile. Is she smiling here? She is, kind of. Wow, and her little cutie mark, 2 diamonds on her little cutie bum bum. So awesome. Love your curls. You are super green. Moving on to some, yes, Harry Potter backpack hangers. I like Dumbledore. It's Ginny Weasley, you know, Ron's younger sister. Awesome. The girl that falls in love with Harry Potter himself. Like, oh, Harry. Harry, you're so hairy. I'm just kidding. Ooh, spoiler. 10 points for Gryffindor. So awesome. Wow, only 3 Hoots of Baloots left. What should we go for? Let's go for some Cuphead buildable figures. Cuphead Rippy Strip. Oh, who's this? It's Cuphead himself, the main character. Ooh, Cuphead's so adorable. Cuphead's pointing at you with his finger. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew, 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 pew. Not beatboxing here. Hey, stop right there. Ow! It's amazing, because it's amazing time. Cuphead fun. Squishmallow for justice. Let's find out who Squishy Friend is. Ooh. I just died of cuteness. Oh, so awesome. It's a cute little avocado. I love avocado. I brought avocado for lunch too. Boop, boop, boop. It's a cute little avocado seed booper belly. Boop, boop. I love this. It's so soft. Oh, it's such a pretty flower. Oh my goodness, it has really cute little avocado-y arms. So awesome. And oh, it doesn't smell like avocados. It smells like bobo gum. Bubble gum. Why do they come up with such cute things? Oh! squishy avocado. Squishy avocado. Turning into guacamole soon. And our last hoot of a loot left, we got the Tokidoki Unicorn. Ooh, Tokidoki, Tokidoki, Tokidoki. Oh. I want Chaser. Oh, Starlina and Supernova. Oh man, I'm fangirling so hard right now. Oh wow, this is so cool. It's our majestic Porcelana Tokidoki Unicorno here. So awesome. Wow, Porcelana, like a porcelain style Tokidoki Unicorn. Ooh, ooh, pointy. If you look closely, look at it. There's a dragon here, lots of flowers. Really, really well designed. And of course the Tokidoki symbol on its chest. Unicorn magic. I love this. This is a really decent collectible. But I make every pony smile, but I look better. Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell, or Cuphead's gonna come and pew pew you. Pew pew. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Don't take it off of me. I'm too cute.